Today we're going to take a look at a very interesting product which will help a lot of websites working in financial advisement or maybe in real estate. This product is called WP Loan and Mortgage Calculator, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Right now I'm looking at their documentation on their website, so if you have any questions you can visit their website as well. We have some global settings here. We can change the main calculator's title. We can change the title alignment, title tag, so some basic stuff here. We can also enable admin notification, and we will need our email for that. These are the fields that the user should fill out to receive an email notification. And here is the actual calculator settings. So we can choose the currency, and here we have actually a very wide choice. It's probably every type of currency that anyone will ever need here included. And then usually in the free versions we get only United States dollars, euros, and some stuff, but here we actually have all of these options available for free. And then we can choose the date format, week starts, and default loan balance as well. So loan is the money you borrow from bank, lender, or person which you agree to pay back over time. And then we also have the default interest rate here. The interest rate is the cost of borrowing money, so shown as a percentage of the loan amount per year here. And then we also have a down payment option, which is default. We can show or not show the down payment. That is the initial amount we pay upfront when taking a loan to buy something, like a car or a house, and it reduces how much we need to borrow as a result. And then we can also adjust the steps here. Now we have some styling options. As you can see, we have several templates, color settings, font size, and I'm going to just keep it simple. Also, we have some very useful integrations. Everything you may need, like Zapier, Make, HubSpot, really everything you will ever need here are available. And then we also get the customization part. We can customize our labels. Here it is. We can customize the loan data title. As you can see, any title really there is on our calculator, we can adjust. We also can adjust the messages, and here there is the email template, which we also can adjust. This is the email that the customer will receive after using the calculator. I'm going to show you what exactly I mean when we review the calculator that we just created. So to create a calculator, we should click on Add a New Calculator, save all of those changes that we just did, and after saving the changes we should just copy the shortcode for this specific calculator and go to the page that we'd like to use the calculator on. I'm going to just use it on the default page I have here, and pasting the shortcode, saving, and we go to view the post. Here we already see our calculator all set up. As you can see, here is the loan balance. Also, it includes some explanations too, if you need any explanation, if you have any questions. And then, as you can see, it calculates automatically, very quickly, for your regular payment, monthly payment, your total payment, your total interest too. I'm changing one minor thing and it recalculates everything really quick. And then we can also choose the payment frequency and the date of the first payment. I'm not doing any down payments here. And as you can see, we can also review the schedule of our payments, which is very useful, honestly, and it's so flexible to include this kind of feature here. And then we can also send a message, as you can see, an email. I'm not going to show my personal information here. You just need to fill out your email, your full name, and you can send a notification to yourself via email or download a PDF with all of this information. Now, before we end the video, I will also quickly show you the free version of this same plugin, which is also a nice one. As you can see, all of the currency types are included. Some features are locked behind the Pro, such as loan balance tab, all of the steps here. We can still do the down payment. We cannot choose the frequency of the payment, only monthly is available. We have some color settings, we have a font size here, and we don't have any integrations. All of them are locked behind the Pro. But for a free version, it provides a very basic but very useful amount of features that you can still use on your website if you're doing this as an individual, or if you're just starting with your website. So that is a great option too to consider. And this is how the free version calculator looks. You can save the results too here, but only via email. There's no PDF version, and you just have less flexibility here, but still a very nice amount of basic features. Now, I would also like to talk about the pricing here very quickly. And as you can see, they have a very interesting pricing for an individual. The single plan is very good if you are just one person that does financial advisement, for example, right? Or if you just need this for your website, one website that you own. And the Pro version is very nice for any real estate agencies, for example, or any type of business that includes a lot of different websites. The features are all the same, and the only difference in the pricing is how many websites you can use this plugin on. So that's a very interesting way to price the plugin, and I'm all here for it because it's very easy to understand. And if you still have any questions, do visit their website because they have a full documentation. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I wish you the best of luck in your business. Bye!